Hello, I'm Jotaro Yano, independent researcher at PQGK Labs, joining as Jotaro Yano. Our project is GK coprocessor bridge, a privacy coprocessor for Solana that links to Aztec private functions via Ethereum using 1.4 PAA. This week, I set up the basics. I created the logo, description, and GitHub repo, drafted the bridge mechanism, and added core files like readme, license, and CI. I also prepared an initial to-do list for development. The to-do list covered three areas: core components, EVM contract, Solana program, Aztec contract, off-chain service, layer and command line app, infrastructure and security, CI/CD, docs, and replay protection. These guide the next implementation steps. Thank you for watching.